Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to redeem a Steam wallet code. First, open Steam on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. On the top menu, click on Games, then select Redeem a Steam wallet code. A new window will appear where you can still type in your 15 or 16 character code from your gift card or digital code. Double check for mistakes, then hit continue. The funds will instantly be added to your Steam wallet balance, and you can use them to buy games, downloadable content, or even in game items. If you're on mobile, you can do the same by opening the Steam app, tapping the menu, going to store, then account details, and selecting Add Funds to your Steam wallet. Then redeem your code there. That's it. Your Steam balance is ready to go, and you can start shopping right away. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.